welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys some great luxury items that I got for my birthday. I know this video is super duper late, but I'm finally getting around to showing you guys the things that I got this year and I'm excited about it. I have an SLG small leather good from YSL and 2 handbags, 1 Prada bag and 1 Gucci bag. So I'm excited to show you guys those things, but also going to be showing you guys some jewelry, fabulous jewelry that I'm actually wearing right now. If you like luxury designer handbags and stuff like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I also upload fashion, dating advice, commentary, a little bit of everything. So you like variety, you will love my channel. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So like I talked about in the beginning, I'm going to be showcasing some jewelry. Now this jewelry that I'm wearing, these necklaces, this fabulous bracelet, and these earrings are all from a company called Luisa. They are a New York based, everyday luxury jewelry brand. What I love about them is they're all about sustainability and also all about like ethically sourcing their materials, even their gold, which is 100% recycled. And it's all about high quality items for a really great price, as low as $39. So I was a little bit shocked when my jewelry first arrived because I knew I ordered 4 pieces and it all came in this small box. And I was like, how is 4 pieces in that tiny little box? But when I opened the box, it says smaller packaging, less waste, more love. All of the pieces actually come in these gorgeous little navy little pouches that say Ana Luisa on them. And they have these little tags that are attached that say Ana Luisa on the back. And then it also says, your jewelry has been handcrafted to last. We wish you many happy times together. So their jewelry is tarnish free and it's made to last, which is why I was excited to show you guys. So first up, I'm gonna show you guys this first necklace. Now this first necklace right here is called the VIDA necklace, that it has like 3 different little loops that you can loop it to kind of make this necklace sit as high or as low as you like. So I have it on like the higher loop because I wanted to have this little layered effect. Like I said, this one is called the VIDA, gorgeous piece. And then I have this piece right here, this gorgeous puffed heart necklace right here on this fabulous chain. This one is called the LEV, L-E-V. Loving this. The chain is very unique and just beautiful, and look how shiny this is. Gorgeous yellow gold, absolutely beautiful. Love this piece. And I've been looking for an alternative to my silver Tiffany bracelet, so I wanted a gold one. So I have this one right here, and this is called the ROMA bracelet. As you guys see, it's really beautiful, really dainty, quality jewelry. And then up last, I have these Huggies right here. Hope you guys can actually see them because they're really small and dainty and tiny. I wanted them like that because I wanted something that I could actually wear every day. They're not statement jewelry, it's everyday jewelry that I like. They do have statement jewelry too. These are called the SUZANNE earrings. If you guys are interested in them, I'll be sure to link them below, and be sure to use the code LifeCoach10 to get 10% off your order. And actually, I feel like because the items I'm going to show you guys, the handbags are all like pre-loved and stuff, this is also kind of sustainable, kind of keeping things, you know, in the rotation as opposed to buying new all of the time. But the first thing I'm going to show you guys is actually the smallest thing, and it is this right here. I have an SLG. Now I typically have my keys on my key clay, my Louis Vuitton key clay, but I kind of, because of the size of some of the handbags that I'm getting, that could be a little bit bulky sometimes, so I definitely wanted to get a card case. So that's what I got from Saint Laurent. So it comes in this little box right here. I actually got this from Fashion File, and it came with the little pouch. Here's like the little Fashion File tags and stuff that I took off. But here's the little, it actually comes with the Saint Laurent pouch and the box. I love when pre-loved stuff comes with all of the fixings. Here's what I actually got. I got this beautiful pebbled leather card case in this black, nice leather, and also has the silver hardware that says YSL. I contemplated between getting like the black and gold or the black and silver, but I seen that the gold one tarnishes, so I figured that I might as well get the silver because it might eventually turn silver anyway, and I do love silver. So I have this little card case right here. Like I said, this is from Yves Saint Laurent or Saint Laurent. So I have this. I got that from Fashion File. And my other Fashion File purchase was this bag right here. This is my Gucci right here. Came with the box. Like I said, I love when things come with the box. This one came with the box and the dust bag, which I love. Like I said, y'all know I love little perks like that. So here is the Gucci dust bag that it came with. And I'm really getting into small bags, but here is the bag that I got. This is the Gucci GG Supreme in the size Super Mini. The super mini is about this size, which kind of pretty much fits in the palm of my hands. Now, I've been loving this bag for quite some time, and I kind of was back and forth between, like, it still has the fashion file tags on it and everything, because I got it pre-loved. I was kind of back and forth between, should I get the GG Supreme, which is this bag, or should I get the Gucci Marmont bag? And that's the one with the 2 gold G's you guys have probably seen everywhere. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love that bag. I love it in leather, I love it in the velvet, but the thing about it is I feel like that bag is trendy. Like, I feel like the double GGs on the belt and even on the bags is kind of fading a little bit, and I kind of am really interested in getting pieces that I know I could wear year after year, kind of more timeless pieces. And I feel like this particular GG print has been around for years and years and years. So I feel like it's gonna be around for you. Like, I feel like this bag will be more like in for longer. And I definitely like the size and all of that. You guys know I have 3 daughters. My oldest daughter is almost 14. And I always kind of think about them when I buy handbags. Like, you know, would they want to carry it one day? And I feel like this would be perfect for one of my daughters when they turn like 19 or something. Like my oldest when she turns 19 or something. Here's the bag close up. As you guys see, it has these little suede areas right here. I love the print on this. I definitely feel like it's a neutral print. And I didn't want this bag because I thought these were snakes. And I'm not a big fan of snakes, but they're actually tiger heads. And so I like that a lot better. It also has that like taupey type color on the bottom. And it's a really, really small bag. I love the chain. The chain is super, super heavy and weighty. It definitely feels substantial. But one of the reasons why I got the YSL card case, like I said, is because I wanted something smaller to be able to put like my license and stuff like that in besides my key clay with my keys attached and all of that. So that's why I got this. Just to show you guys a quick size comparison. So I have this little card case, and it should fit easily into this Gucci bag right here. Just like that. So I've been going smaller and smaller in terms of my handbags. That's why I definitely wanted a small card case. Like I said, I got this bag for a steal on Fashion File for my birthday. Haven't even cut the tags off. I am not returning it because I like this. I love the color scheme of this as well. This is like a neutral. You could definitely wear this with a solid color, wear it with white, wear it with black. You could just wear it with so many different things because it's not busy and it's like a nice neutral color, you know. So I'm loving this. And the last handbag that I want to share with you guys is my Prada bag. Now this bag that I actually got this bag on the RealReal, and I got it for a steal. Now this bag came with the box right here as well. Didn't come with the dust bag, but it did come with the box. And I've been looking for a nice pop of color bag, and this bag is so pretty to me. But here's the inside of what the box looks like. It has the little Prada logo all over it. But here is the bag. Oh, it's this gorgeous, I'm talking about nice butter soft leather. This is called the Impunture, I want to say Impunture. I know I'm probably butchering that, but that's what this bag is called. It's this fabulous Prada bag with the silver hardware. The silver hardware on this bag looks like jewelry. I love how nice the leather is. It has these 2 little zips on the top right here. And it also has this little space in the middle for like your iPhone or something. Like I said, I got this bag from the RealReal and I got it for a steal. So it came with the box, and it also came with like this little envelope right here that had like the care instructions, and it also came with the tags. It comes with the authenticity card, and it also comes with like the person left their like price tag, what they paid for it. They paid for it in euros. So I'm not sure how much this is until I actually like do the conversions. So this bag was noted to be in very good condition. As you guys can see from up close, it is in very good condition. It didn't look like it had been touched, much less worn, which I really loved. I love when you get really good finds. You save hundreds, if not thousands, on a bag because somebody didn't want it or it wasn't their taste anymore or whatever the reason. Sometimes you get really good deals for getting things pre-loved. So I love Fashion File and the RealReal, but Fashion File is my favorite. I love the quality of their items. I love all the pictures that they post, high quality pictures. I feel like they always sort of underestimate the quality of their items. So whenever you get something from Fashion File, you know it's gonna be like, it's gonna wow you. So anyway, that has been it for my super duper late luxury birthday haul. Let me know which piece or which pieces were your favorites, including this jewelry that I got from Luisa. Be sure to use my promo code, which is LifeCoach10, to get 10% off your order. I will link them at the top of the description box so you guys can find them easily. Great pieces. The VIDA, the Lev, the ROMA, and the SUZANNE. If you love this video, you'll love my last one, so I'll be sure to link it right here, and be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.